Oh man, look at it now. It's like a damn wagon. Hey guys, it's Mike and Steven, Narx Selected Customs. Today we're working on narxcart. We got front hoop mounted. Well, kinda. I gotta finish welding. Steven got bars welded across the back here and down bars. So we are fully welded, fully ready to go to drive it, except I screwed everything up and and now we can't because I've got to build a battery mount. So I'm gonna work on that tomorrow morning. Have an appointment in the morning with the orthodontics, I don't know, whatever, to see if it's broken. But until then, I'm obviously not touching the drill. So I have it marked out here. And we're gonna use our Eastwood VersaCut plasma cutter. That's been awesome to cut the hole. All right, let's do it. All right guys, we went to the doctor this morning. It is broken. Guys, so obviously the front was where the damage was. If this is your first time seeing it, we bought the car wrecked. I'm gonna take this panel off right here so I can start. I'm gonna bend a hoop here to reattach all of these pieces. Let the radiator come back forward. We're gonna relocate the battery to the trunk, and that way we can get everything kind of up here, and then I'll build the hoop that'll go here and up and over to that frame rail. So gonna go ahead and pull that off. I don't think Lauren will go for the deal, for the sand wrap. Yeah. Why would that be threaded? Right. So dumb. Oh man, look at it now. It's like a damn wagon. This thing is gigantic. Let's get over here where you guys can get an appreciation of that thing. Oh my gosh. Dude, that thing looks huge like that. All right, so Steven is fixing to start on the crossbars for the rear head support. I don't know, head protection, I don't know. So me and old Gimp Hand here are gonna try and bend a bar. We'll see if I can do it. I don't know if I can. For the front hoop I was talking about earlier. If you haven't been watching for a while, tip on a 5-gallon bucket is to go to your local Firehouse Subs and buy their old pickle buckets. The problem is, well, and all that money goes to help support firefighters. The problem is it smelled like pickles so bad you can't even open it in the shop. So what we do is we take it outside and open it for a couple days. Look how cool that looks. All right, guys, that's it. We're headed. It's like 10:30 on a school night, and so that's kind of rough.
Still got to work in the morning.
Yeah. So follow us everywhere: TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. As a reminder, we are giving this car away when we hit 1 million views on the channel. We're a little over 108,000 now, so you got plenty of time. Follow us on Instagram to be entered. All right, thanks a bunch.
Thanks, guys.
All right, guys, we went to the doctor this morning. It is broken. I'll put some pictures up here in just a second, but I'm going to go ahead and pull the, I don't know, it's basically a brace till I get to the orthopedic people on Monday. I'm going to pull the brace off so I can weld these in, and we can finish this video up for you.